OPPO has officially unveiled the Find N5, its latest premium foldable smartphone, in both global and Chinese markets. As the successor to the Find N3, the smartphone will become in satin black, jade white, and dusk purple color. OPPO Find N5 will feature IPX9 water protection, which would be a first for a foldable. When unfolded, the device is just 4.21mm thin. The Find N5 features a 6.62-inch outer AMOLED screen with an 1140 by 2616 resolution and 1 to 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate. The inner foldable display measures 8.12 inches. The Find N5 will be the world's first foldable to equip the 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with a massive 16GB of RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage for high-end performance. It features Android 15 with ColorOS 15. The Find N5 is equipped with a 50MP UltraVision main sensor, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens supporting 6x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera. It will include two 8-megapixel cameras, one on the outer display and another on the internal foldable screen. The device packs a 5,600 mAh Glacier battery. It supports 80W SuperVOOC wired charging with 50W wireless and 10W reverse wireless charging, priced at 2,499 SGD in Singapore. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.